Hey guys, Chef Marty here with another recipe. Today I made Marry Me chicken. This came together in less than an hour, so it was very flavorful and juicy. Let me show you how I made it. First, I took about 2 cups of all-purpose flour and I seasoned them up with some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, black pepper, and also some Italian herb seasoning. Once I gave that a stir, I seasoned the chicken breast with the same seasonings, and then I double dredged this. I dredged it in the flour once, I let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then I just dredged it in the flour again the second time, just to give the chicken breast a little bit of a crust. I added some olive oil to the bottom of a pan, just enough to coat the bottom. Then I added 2 tablespoons of butter to prevent the olive oil from burning. Then I brought it up to temp, and then just added my chicken breast in. Since these are going into a sauce, I didn't need to cook these chicken breasts all the way through. I just wanted to get a pretty color on the side like you see here. So it took me about 4 to 5 minutes to get this color. Just gave them a flip and repeat the process for another 5 minutes. Once I cooked all the chicken breasts and removed them, I added some garlic paste back to the pan along with some Italian herb paste. If you don't have Italian herb paste, don't worry about it. I'll show you what seasonings to use once we start seasoning up the sauce. I gave everything a stir to make sure that garlic paste didn't burn. Then I just added about a cup of chopped spinach to my pan. Cup and a half, your option there. Gave it a stir to, again, infuse all those colors into that spinach, all those flavors. And then I'm going to follow this up with about a cup of sliced sun-dried tomatoes. I sliced these up, I guess in hindsight, I think I should have just diced them up, give it a more prettier consistency with the sauce, but it's optional, your call. I then came in with enough chicken stock just to deglaze the pan and add a little bit of chicken flavor to my sauce, and I followed that up with a cup and a half of half and half, and then I just gave everything a stir, making sure to get all those bits off the bottom of the pan. I got my heat reduced to low, bringing this up to a simmer, and we're gonna let this sauce begin to thicken. Season up with some basil, thyme, oregano, and then I followed up with some Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese is what's going to allow this to thicken up to the consistency that you want and give it a good flavor. So make sure your heat is on low, and then add enough Parmesan to get the consistency that you want. Now make sure you don't use bagged Parmesan. Either use it straight from the block or get some high-end Parmesan here, but the sauce should look like this. Now, because I'm putting this over pasta, I decided to keep it on the stove and just add the chicken breast to it here. If I was serving this with rice, I would just put the chicken breast into a baking dish, pour the sauce over it, and then baked it in the oven. But here's the finished product. It turned out amazing. I put them over some Rotel noodles, sliced up the chicken breast, and just topped it with plenty of sauce to allow those noodles to soak that up. Took about an hour. Guys, it's a winner. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.